Hi students, so welcome you all for our evening class. So in this class we were solving the problems of integration, and already we have covered all the problems on integration. Now we are going for our differentiation problems. Okay, so all can join as much as early possible so that we can continue. So good evening everyone. So yesterday we have solved this fourth problem, and now we have to continue with the fifth problem. Okay, so good evening to everyone. Tell all to join as much as early possible. So anyways, I have started 10 minutes early today's class, because if we start 10 minutes early we can finish 10 minutes early, or we can continue for 10 more extra minutes. So that's what my intention. Okay, so good evening to everyone. Now let us continue with our fifth problem. So you just see the fifth problem, that is sin square x plus cos square y equal to k, and we have to find dy by dx. Okay, so first you differentiate sin square x, it will be 2 sin x into d by dx of sin x, okay, plus 2 cos y into d by dx of cos y equal to differentiation of constant term is 0. So here you can see 2 sin x, differentiation of sin x is cos x, plus 2 cos y, and you can just see differentiation of cos y is minus sin y, and one more variable you have y, that also you have to write as dy by dx. So that is equal to 0. So now here 2 is constant, or you can write it as sin 2x minus sin 2y into dy by dx is equal to 0. Clear? So therefore minus sin 2y into dy by dx equal to minus sin 2x. So you can cancel minus and minus. Therefore dy by dx will be equal to sin 2x divided by sin 2y. Sin 2x divided by sin 2y. So this will be our answer for the fifth problem, that is dy by dx equal to sin 2x divided by sin 2y. Okay, so I think everyone can understand this very simple problem. So here you must know a little bit chain rule as well as implicit differentiation. So from that you can simplify it. So no problem. Let us go for the sixth question. So see the sixth question, root x plus root y equal to root 10. You have to show that dy by dx plus root of y minus x equal to 0. So here you can clearly see differentiation of root x is what? 1 by 2 root x, plus differentiation of root y is what? 1 by root y into dy by dx. So differentiation of constant term, you can see it will be equal to 0. Okay, now you can see that 1 by 2 root y dy by dx will be equal to minus 1 by 2 root x. So take 1 by 2 root y on LHS, it will be dy by dx will be equal to minus 2 root y divided by 2 root x. 2 will get cancelled. Therefore dy by dx will be equal to minus of root of y by x, and this will be dy by dx plus root of y by x equal to 0. Okay, so good evening Jayat, good evening Sovian, good evening Vicky, good evening Prashant, good evening to everyone, good evening Veena. So today already I have started 10 minutes early, and also we have completed 2 problems, that is 5th problem and 6th problem. So good evening to everyone. So daily I may start 10 minutes early, so you see whenever you get the notification, you just log in into YouTube and you attend the class. Okay, don't wait for 9 p.m. Sometimes I am starting the classes early, that is 10 minutes early, so that you can, whenever you get the notification, so you just go through it and you attend it. So I think all of you get the notification when I go live. Clear? So now let us go for the 7th problem. Let us go for the 7th problem. Okay. So see the 7th problem, same, that is root x plus root y equal to root a. What is differentiation of root x? 1 by 2 root x plus what is differentiation of root y? 1 by 2 root y into dy by dx will be equal to 0. Okay. So 1 by 2 root y into dy by dx will be equal to minus 1 by 2 root x. So from this you can write dy by dx will be equal to minus of 2 root y divided by 2 root x. Cancel 2 and 2. So that will be dy by dx will be equal to minus of root y by x. Okay. So this is your 7th problem, and 8th problem is similar. 8th problem is similar for your 7th problem. See, 8th problem, 7th problem and 6th problem. All 3 problems are same, so that you can simplify them very easily. So if you have any doubts, you can just ask, no problem. I will go for the 8th one. So see the 8th problem, that is root x plus root y equal to 5. That will be 1 by 2 root x plus 1 by 2 root y dy by dx will be equal to 0. So therefore 1 by 2 root y dy by dx will be equal to minus 1 by 2 root x. So therefore dy by dx will be equal to minus of 2 root y divided by 2 root x. 2 get cancelled. Here you can see 4, 9 is the value. So x value is 4, you put it. So dy by dx will be equal to minus of root of y term is 9, x term is 4. So that will be minus of 3 by 2. This is the answer. Okay. So good evening to everyone. I think all of you get the notifications when I go live. So you just come on live class when you get the notification. Don't wait for 9 p.m. So whenever you get the notification, you just come live. Clear? Okay, I think 8th problem, 7th problem, 6th problem, all 3 problems are clarified, because all 3 problems are very simple problems that you can just understand them. And 5th problem is also simple. So I have solved 5, 6, 7 and 8. Nearly 4 problems I have simplified now, and you can go through it. If you have joined class very late, you can go through it, no problem. Now we can go for the 9th problem. Now we can go for the 9th problem. You see it, the 9th problem is y equal to sine of log x. Y equal to sine of log x. Then prove that dy by dx will be equal to root of 1 minus y square divided by x. So here you can see dy by dx will be equal to, first differentiation of sine is cos of log x and multiplied with d by dx of log x. So that will be dy by dx equal to cos of log x and divided by differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So that will be divided by x. So now from this you can just see that I can write it as dy by dx is equal to 1 by x as it is, So now cos I can write it as square root of 1 minus sine square of log x. See here, cos log x can be written as square root of 1 minus sine square log x. That you can clearly observe that dy by dx will be equal to 1 by x into root of 1 minus y square. So why I am doing this? Because they have asked to prove this. So we have to prove what they have given us. So that's why here I need this. I am in the required of dy by dx equal to root of 1 minus y square divided by x. So that's why cos log x can be written as 1 minus sine square log x. So you can replace sine of log x as y. So no problem, you can get the answer. Okay. So Manjunath, Purnima and Bhavna, you joined now. So please go through the classes, please go through the problems which I have already solved. So today really I have gone through 5 problems. Okay, you go through that and you can understand them, no problem. So now we shall go for the 10th one. So you see the 10th problem, that is if x into sine of a plus y plus sine of a into cos of a plus y equal to 0. Now you have to prove that dy by dx equal to sine square a plus y divided by sine a. My dear students, please see here, when you look at this equation, you feel that how to simplify this, because equation is very long. So by looking at this, so many number of students get fear and they leave this question. They will not try to simplify it. They will get a fear on this problem because equation is very long. Then they will leave it. But you don't do like that. This is very simple problem. Very simple problem. You just write it as x into sine of a plus y. To take this term to LHS, that will be minus sine a into cos of a plus y. So now you can see that x will be equal to minus sine a into cos of a plus y. The term is divided by sine of a plus y. Sine of a plus y. Okay. So from this, x will be equal to minus sine a, cos by sine is what? Cot of a plus y. Clear? So now you can differentiate this. So you differentiate this with respect to y, not with x, with respect to y. So dx by dy will be equal to minus sine a, and the differentiation of cot is what? Minus cosecant square a plus y. So while differentiating, be careful. You have to with respect to y, you have to differentiate. With respect to y, you have to differentiate. You remember that. So dx by dy will be equal to minus sine a. Differentiation of cot is minus cosecant square a plus y. Minus into minus will be plus. So therefore, dx by dy will be equal to sine a, and you can just see cosecant square is nothing but 1 by sine square of a plus y. See, now we can write this as dy by dx equal to sine square of a plus y divided by sine a. This is your required answer. So from this, I think you can solve it very easily. Don't get any fear about the problem. You just go on solving it. You will get the answer. Problem is very simple. Problem is very simple. You just go on through it. You can get the answer. No problem. Okay. So if you have any doubts, you can ask. Otherwise, I will go for the 11th problem. You see the 11th problem. That is cos y equal to x into cos of a plus y. So here I can write it as x, this implies x equal to cos y divided by cos of a plus y. Cos y divided by cos of a plus y. U by v rule is in the form of d by dx of u by v. Okay, but here variable is y, so that's why you differentiate it with respect to y. Differentiating with respect to y. With respect to y. Okay, so this has to be with very careful. So now dx by dy will be equal to cos of a plus y into d by dy of cos y minus cos y into d by dy of cos of a plus y. So now simplify this. Dx by dy will be equal to cos of a plus y. Differentiation of cos y is minus sin y. Here also minus into minus will be plus cos y into sin of a plus y. Sin of a plus y. And here the total term will be divided by what? Total term will be divided by what? Cos square of a plus y. That I will write here. In this step I will write here. That is cos square of a plus y. Cos square of a plus y. Okay. So therefore here you can just see dx by dy will be equal to, see this positive term I will write first, cos y sin of a plus y, here minus sin y into cos of a plus y. Total term is divided by cos square a plus y. So now you can see cos a sin b minus, sin a cos b minus sin b cos a. That will be sin of a term is a plus y minus y divided by cos square a plus y. So cancel plus y minus y. Therefore your answer will be dx by dy equal to sin a divided by cos square a plus y. Clear? So I think everyone have understood this. So if you have understood, please tell me yes, so that I can go very quickly to the next problem. That is the parametric forms. So I can go for the parametric forms. Clear? So if you say yes, I will go for the parametric forms. The first problem. Here the first problem is find dy by dx if x equal to sin t, y equal to cos 2t. X equal to sin t, y equal to cos 2t. So first I will differentiate dx by dt. What is differentiation of dx by dt? Differentiation of sin is cos t. Calculate dy by dt. That will be minus sin 2t into d by dt of 2t. So therefore dx by dt is cos t and dy by dt is, you can just see here differentiation of 2t is 2. So minus 2 sin 2t. Okay. So therefore you can write dy by dx as dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So dy by dt will be minus 2 sin 2t divided by cos t. Okay. So therefore this will be equal to minus 2 sin 2t is what? 2 times of sin t cos t. So divided by cos t. Can cancel cos and cos. So it will be minus 4 sine t. So this is your answer. Minus 4 sine t will be your answer. Clear? So very simple. First you take differentiation of dx by dt. Next you take differentiation of you take differentiation of x, that is dx by dt. Differentiation of y, that is dy by dt. So it will be cos t. Dx by dt will be cos t. Dy by dt will be minus 2 sine 2t. So you calculate dy by dx. So that will be dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So simplify it, put formula of sine 2t. So you will get minus 4 sine t. Okay. So now we can go for the second problem. Now we can go for the second problem. That is okay. So now you just see the second problem. That is, if x equal to a sec theta, y equal to b tan theta, find dy by dx. So here you can just see dx by d theta will be a sec theta into tan theta. Dy by d theta you can just see b secant square theta. So therefore now dy by dx will be equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. What is dy by d theta? B secant square theta divided by, what is dx by d theta? A sec theta into tan theta. So you can cancel sec into sec, no problem. The remaining term is b by a into sec theta into cot theta. You can write it as sec theta into cot theta, no problem. See this, you can write it as sec theta into cot theta. Sec theta into cot theta. That is nothing but b by a. Sec is 1 by cos and cot is cos theta by sin theta. You can cancel cos and cos. So that will be b by a cosec theta. This is your answer. Clear? So you can just see dy by dx will be equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Dy by d theta is b sec theta and dx by d theta is a sec theta into tan theta. You just cancel sec and sec. So next you can write 1 by tan as cot. So sec you replace as 1 by cos and cot you can replace it as cos by sin. So cancel cos and cos. So it will be b by a cosec theta. Okay. Now let us see the third problem. That is, if x equal to 4t, y equal to 4 by t, what is dy by dx? So here dx by dt is 4 and dy by dt, see 4 is constant, write as it is. Differentiation of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square. Differentiation of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square. So that will be now dy by dt equal to minus 4 1 by t square divided by 4. So 4 will get cancelled. Therefore dy by dt will be equal to minus 1 by t square. This is your answer. So quickly tell me, all of you, are you following it? Very simple problems. Actually differentiation is very easy. Then integration. Compared to integration, differentiation chapter is very simple, but you have to understand it, that's all. And you must know the formulas and some tricks so that it will be very easy. Now let us go for the fourth problem. Okay, so here the fourth problem is, you can just see it, x equal to 8t square, y equal to 2at. So now dx by dt will be equal to, differentiation of t square is 2t, so that I will write it as 2at. dy by dt is 2a because differentiation of t is 1. So now dy by dx will be equal to 2a divided by 2at. So 2a to a will get cancelled, 1 by t will be your answer. Because it is dy by dt divided by dx by dt, so directly I have written 2a divided by 2at, 2a to a will get cancelled, 1 by t will be the answer. And now let us see the fifth one. See the fifth one. X is equal to a cos theta plus theta sin theta, and y will be equal to a sin theta minus theta cos theta. No problem. First I will solve dx by d theta. That will be, a is constant, I will write it as it is, cos differentiation is minus sign, and here u into v rule you have to apply. So write plus as it is, u into v rule. So if it is u into v rule, differentiation of sin theta is cos theta, theta cos theta, plus again you write sin theta as it is, differentiation of theta will be 1, close this bracket. You have to apply u into v rule. So that will be, first I will differentiate sin, that will be cos, so theta into cos theta, plus now I will write sin theta as it is, differentiation of theta will be 1. Okay, so minus sin theta plus sin theta will get cancelled. Dx by d theta is a theta cos theta, a theta cos theta, a into theta cos theta. So now I will solve dy by d theta. A is constant, write as it is. So here you can just see sin, differentiation of sin is cos theta, write minus sign as it is, here there is a minus sign, so put bracket. Okay, so whenever you have minus sign, for the next term you put bracket. Again u into v rule. First I will differentiate cos, differentiation of cos is minus sign, so that will be minus theta sin theta, put plus. So now I will write cos theta as it is, I will write cos theta as it is, differentiation of theta will be 1, so no problem. Okay, this will be equal to dy by d theta, a cos theta, minus into minus is plus, theta sin theta, minus into plus is minus cos theta. So cancel minus cos theta plus cos theta. Okay, this will be equal to, you can write it as, this will be equal to a theta sin theta. Now write your required dy by dx. So dy by dx will be what? dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. What is dy by d theta? A theta sin theta. What is dx by d theta? A theta cos theta. So cancel a theta, sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. This is your answer. Clear? For your fifth problem, dy by dx equal to tan theta. So tan theta will be the answer. Okay. On the same way we can go for the sixth problem. See the sixth problem, that is x equal to a times of theta plus sin theta, theta plus sin theta. Y will be equal to 1 minus cos theta into a. So dy by d theta is tan theta by 2. So we have to prove it as tan theta by 2. Now dx by d theta will be equal to a as it is. Differentiation of theta is 1 and differentiation of sine is cos theta. So now dy by d theta will be equal to a is constant, right as it is. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Now minus differentiation of cos is minus sine, minus into minus is plus sine theta. So therefore dy by dx will be equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. What is dy by d theta? A sine theta. What is dx by d theta? A 1 plus cos theta. Cancel a and a. So sine theta is 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2 divided by 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 cos square theta by 2. So therefore 2 will get cancelled. Cos theta by 2 will get cancelled, and you can get sine by cos is cot theta by 2. Sorry, sine by cos is tan theta by 2. Sine by cos is tan theta by 2. Okay. So that is what our required answer. Clear? So that is the problem 6. Okay. So now we can go for the 7th problem. So thank you, Sagar, for your compliments. So once you start to practice, everyone can do integration and differentiation very easily. Only thing is, all of you has to practice more and more. How much you practice, that much easy it will become. Okay. That's why try to practice more. In mathematics, practice is very, very important. Okay. So you try to practice more so that you also enjoy mathematics very nicely. Okay. Now let us go for problem number 7. So see the problem number 7. That will be x equal to what? X equal to a theta minus sine theta. Y will be equal to what? A 1 plus cos theta. So now you have to solve dy by dx as minus cot theta by 2. So first write dx by d theta. A is constant term, right as it is. Differentiation of theta is 1. Differentiation of sine is cos theta. dy by d theta. A is constant, right as it is. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of cos theta is minus sine theta. So now dy by dx will be equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So minus a sine theta divided by a 1 minus cos theta. Cancel a and a. So minus sine theta will be 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2 divided by 2 sine square theta by 2. So cancel 2 and 2. Sine theta by 2, sine theta by 2. Now this will be equal to minus cos by sine is cot theta by 2. So this is our required answer. That is minus cot theta by 2. Okay. So all of you can share on your WhatsApp groups, on your WhatsApp status of this video, so that all can watch it, and who all want, they can subscribe it, no problem. So they can also take use of these classes. Okay. So now let us go for problem number 8. So x will be equal to a cos t plus log of tan t by 2. Okay, no problem. So be careful because here you have log of tan t by 2. Y equal to a sin t. So all of you be careful. Here x will be equal to cos t plus log of tan t by 2. So this is little bit very important where you have to concentrate because here you have to apply chain rule. Okay. So dx by dt will be equal to a differentiation of cos is minus sin t plus, now you have to differentiate this. While differentiating this, be careful, don't go on writing dx by d by dt, d by dt, d by dt. It will be very lengthy. Directly you simplify the chain rule. First we have to differentiate log, that will be 1 by tan t by 2 multiplied with differentiation of tan, that will be secant square t by 2 multiplied with differentiation of t by 2, that will be 1 by 2. So directly you write this because steps will be reduced. Steps will be reduced because if you go on writing d by dt, d by dt, d by dt, problem will be very lengthy, and in some point if you get any confusions, everything will be wrong. So that's why you simplify this directly. See, you have f of g of h of x. Okay, f is log, g is tan, h is t, and x is, you know, that is t by 2. Okay, so f is log, g is tan, h of x is t by 2. Are you getting my point? So you have three functions. First you differentiate log, that will be 1 by tan t by 2. Next you differentiate g, that will be secant square t by 2. Next you differentiate t by 2, that will be 1 by 2. Okay. So from this you can understand it and you can go on solving the problem. Clear? So now you see here it will be dx by dt equal to a minus sin t, a minus sin t, 1 by tan t is cot t by 2, secant square is 1 by cos square t by 2 into 1 by 2. So now dx by dt will be equal to a minus sin t cos t by 2 divided by sin t by 2 into 1 by cos square t by 2 into 1 by 2. So cos t by 2 will get cancelled. So now from this you can see here, you can write it as okay, see here, that will be dx by dt will be equal to a into, see this is minus sin t plus, you can see here 1 by 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2, that means it will be 1 by sin t by using the formula of 2 times of sin t by 2 cos t by 2, that will be equal to sin t. So you can use this formula and you can write it here, no problem. So now you can write it as dx by dt will be equal to a times of, see this, sin into sin will be sin square, 1 minus sin square will be cos square t divided by sin t. Okay. So now you got your dx by dt. You take LCM, that will be 1 minus sin square t. So 1 minus sin square t, you can write it as cos square t. So now on the same way you solve dy by dt. So what is dy by dt? It is a cos t. Dy by dt is a cos t. Clear? So now from all this we can simplify it as dy by dx equal to, see this, I will write dy by dx here. Dy by dx will be equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So what is dy by dt divided by dx by dt? A cos t divided by, this is a cos square t divided by sin t. Okay, so a directly it will get cancelled, and you can write it as cos t divided by cos square t multiplied with sin t. Cancel cos t, cos t. So you can see here cos will get cancelled, tan t will remain. So tan t will be your answer. Clear? So you just go through it. You can get tan t as your answer. Quickly tell me, all of you, have you understood this? This problem is little bit lengthy, but no problem. Very simple problem. You can understand it. It is not that much of tough. You can understand it. So quickly tell me, all of you, if you get any confusions, you watch this video again, and you can go for the next problems. Okay. So now I will go for the ninth problem. Now I will go for the ninth problem. X is equal to square root of a to the power of sin inverse t. Y will be equal to square root of a to the power of cos inverse t. Now you can just see that I will multiply both of this by multiplication. By multiplication, what you can write, x into y is xy equal to root of a to the power of sin inverse t plus cos inverse t. So see this, you have to multiply both of this. That will be root of a sin inverse t multiplied with root of a cos inverse t. So we know that a raised to n multiplied with a raised to m is a raised to n plus m, laws of indices. So you use that, it will be equal to a to the power of pi by 2. By using your inverse trigonometric formulas, it will be root of a to the power of pi by 2. So xy will be equal to a to the power of pi by 2. Now you can differentiate it by using u into v rule, product rule. Apply product rule, x into dy by, you can write it as dy by dx, no problem. Dy by dx plus y into differentiation of x is 1. Here constant term, it will be equal to 0. So therefore, this implies x into dy by dx equal to minus y, and dy by dx will be equal to minus y by x. That is what you required in ninth problem. That is what you are in required of ninth problem. So just see the ninth problem. That is dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. Okay, so from that you can simplify it and you can get the answer, no problem. So dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. So all of you can share through all your friends through WhatsApp groups and as well as your WhatsApp status, so that all your friends can take use of these classes, and tell all of them to subscribe also, no problem. They can also get the notification. Clear? So now coming to the 10th problem. I will see how many of you can solve the 10th problem. I will give this as homework. So I will give this as the homework. See the 10th problem, it will be the homework, and try to solve it on your own so that you can get the answer. Try to get it. If you don't get, you can ask me in the tomorrow's class. I will solve it. So Muttappa is telling to explain again. Which problem you want? Muttappa, please tell me which problem you want. Muttappa is telling to explain again which problem you want. So here the better way is you have to watch the video again. If you watch the video again, you can see the explanation in clear. That is very good thing. Okay. So now quickly tell me, if you want the ninth problem, you just see here. You write the x value, you write the y value which are given in the problem. You multiply these two, multiply x and y. So x into y will be xy. On the same way, you can multiply root of a to the power of sin inverse t into root of a to the power of cos inverse t. Multiplying LHS into LHS, RHS into RHS. So we know that a to the power of n multiplied with a to the power of m will be a to the power of n plus m. So by using this laws of indices, you can see this will be equal to a to the power of sin inverse t plus, a to the power of sin inverse t plus cos inverse t. So here we know that this is pi by 2. Here we know that this is pi by 2 by your inverse trigonometric formula. By inverse trigonometric formula, sin inverse t plus cos inverse t is pi by 2. So you write it as pi by 2. Now you got xy equal to root of a to the power of pi by 2. Apply product rule here. Apply product rule. First function as it is, differentiation of the second function plus second function as it is, differentiation of the first function is 1 equal to constant term is 0. Now you take plus y on LHS, that will be minus y. Take x on LHS, it will be minus y by x. So from that you can understand this, no problem. Okay. So thank you everyone. I think Muttappa also got his solution. So no problem. We can meet in the tomorrow's session. So who all not subscribed the channel, subscribe it. And who all want to forward these videos, you can forward to anyone for your friends, no problem. All can watch this and all can get the knowledge.